I have a friend, she's a swinger with her husband. She goes to sex clubs. You open the doors and people are just fornicating everywhere. And she's like, do you want to go? And I was like, hello, all of you beautiful people out there. It is me, Madison, and I hope you're doing so well today. Today, you guys, we are going to be making animal style fries. Yes, ma'am, but not just any old regular animal style fries, you guys. We are going to be making Arby's curly fries style animal fries. I'm so excited. And not only that, we are gonna be making them vegan style, because you know how we do around here. So in the oven right now, I've got the fries baking. They're the frozen bag of animal style fries of Arby's curly fries. If you guys didn't know, the frozen Arby's curly fries are vegan and they're absolutely freaking delicious. So I highly recommend them if you can find them. I find them at Walmart, but you know me. Okay, so we are gonna be making the sauce for the animal style fries. Basically, it's like a Thousand Island pretty much. And that's what we're gonna start off making right now. So in this bowl, I have some Just Mayo by Hampton Creek. Hampton Creek Just Mayo is the best vegan mayo, in my humble opinion, that you can find. And already in here, I have some salt and pepper, and there is some garlic powder that I put in there. The traditional recipe doesn't call for it, but I wanted some. To this bowl, we are gonna add some ketchup. If you're really concerned about measurements, look it up. I just do what I want when I want, because I live my life, okay? And then we're gonna add some mustard. Usually the recipe calls for yellow mustard, but I much prefer Dijon mustard so much. Am I alone? Anybody else? Then we're gonna add some dill pickle. You can also use sweet relish if you have that. And let's see, what's next? Some vinegar. The recipe calls for apple cider vinegar, but I do not like apple cider vinegar. Ew, I don't like to use it at all. Anybody else just like it? And then we're just gonna add a little bit there. Okay, that should do. And then the last ingredient that we are going to add in there is some sugar. So, I don't know, just a little bit, I guess. Like a tablespoon? That might even be too much. Okay, all right, now let's mix it up and give it a taste. Yum! This is good. Oh my gosh, you guys, this is dangerous. This is so dangerous. It's so good. Okay, let me go check on the fries. Okay, you guys, the fries are just out of the oven. There's some extra crispy bits on there, which I super love, so that's okay with me. Now, traditionally, animal style fries come with like 2 slices or something of like American cheese, but we're not gonna be putting that on there. What we are going to replace the cheese with today is this vegan cheese from the Honest stand. Y'all see? Can you see? This is what the packaging looks like. This is one of the best vegan cheeses out there. So if you guys can find it, please try it. It's amazing. So we're gonna put that on top of the fries right now. Yum, 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 yum. So the next thing we put on is the caramelized onion. So this is a whole onion that I've caramelized. Oh my God, I love it so much. I kind of wish I made 2 caramelized onions, but oh well. And then you guys, we put on the sauce. Yes, ma'am. Okay, so here we go. Let's just dump this bad boy on. Yes, 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 yes. Oh, yummy. All right, I'm gonna be answering the rest of your questions because I really wanna get through them because I feel really bad, you guys. Okay, so let's start grubbing, okay? Oh, yummy. Oh, hell yeah. Oh my God. Wow. Oh, yum. Wow. Oh my God. Dude, that's dangerous. Wow. Okay. You guys ready? Am I ready? To start, this is from Tipsy Red Rooster. I love that name. She says, very proud of your strength through your divorce. Thank you so much. Just wondering if there is dating on the horizon or even a boyfriend would be wonderful, question mark. Life goes on. Show does. Yeah. Oh my God. I will be dating. Absolutely. It's my time to shine, baby. Okay. Hold on, I'm getting a phone call. Sorry, this is rude. Hello? 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 I got butt dialed. Okay. All right. Starlisha. Hey, my girl. Starlisha asks, what is your favorite holiday? My birthday. I'm not really like big on holidays, you know what I mean? I don't really give a shit. I mean, I celebrate them, but like I don't go fucking buck wild for any of them really. She also asked, do you dress up on Halloween? Sometimes. And then she says, would you go to an erotic ball? What's that? Ooh, queen. Okay. I don't know what an erotic ball is, but I have a friend who shall remain nameless, but she's a swinger with her husband. Did that upset you, Kiki? Did you hear it? She goes, she doesn't like that. She doesn't like that. I have a toothache and I'm really worried about it. I gotta go back to the dentist. You see what I'm saying? Or is this where my crown fell off? I can't remember. But anyways, she goes to sex clubs, I guess is what they're called. And she's like told me all about him. And then what I hang out with her all the time. She's like one of my very best friends. And one night we were drinking and she's like, do you want to go? And I was like, yeah. Because the way she explained it, it's not like people are just like, you open the doors and people are just fornicating everywhere. Like there's like stages to like back rooms and certain rules and stuff like that. And like the beginning of it is just like a regular nightclub. And she's like, we can just like hang out in the regular nightclub. I was like, yes, I want to go. I want to see. Not to participate in any ungodly acts, but just to go And so, for some reason, we didn't end up getting it in. It was closed that night or whatever. I was pretty tipsy by the time we got there. So, I don't know. If I ever go again, I'll vlog it. No, I'm just kidding. Okay. Love you, Star. Okay. Penelope Straw asked, do you want kids? I've answered that. I mean, I don't want kids, but like, if I get knocked up, like, I'd be excited about it. You know? Okay. What's your go-to vegan breakfast? Says Caitlin. Oh, hey. How you doing? I don't eat breakfast. Coffee. Have you ever been to Portland? It's the second time I've been asked if I've been to Oregon. No, but I want to. How do you keep your hair color from fading? I've answered this. I've had mine red many times, but it fades so fast. I've answered this in another video, which I'll link right up here. If it's not posted yet, it will be posted when it's done. When it's posted. What am I saying? Okay. Hi, Bailey. This is from Bailey. Hi, Madison. Do you plan on having kids? You guys, y'all want me to fucking pump out some babies or what? I don't. Like I said, I've been told over and over and over and over again in my life that I'd be a good mother, and I'm not fishing here for like compliments or anything. I just don't understand, but like people have told me over and over again, like, you'd be such a good mom, and I don't see what they mean. Because like I don't see myself as some like pinnacle of responsibility and like nurturing nature or whatever. Holy shit. That's one of the biggest burps I've burped ever. Y'all motherfuckers who like my burps are gonna really be happy about that. And those of you who don't, so sorry. So sorry. I gotta burp again. Shiro asks, have you ever thought about eating real meat again? Ha ha ha. How do I answer this? Because like, if I say no, that's a lie. I've thought about it, because, not because I want to eat meat again, but like, meat, like, from what I remember, it tastes good. You know what I'm saying? And it smells good. I don't like that it smells good or tastes good. I don't like that at all. Like, ethically speaking, like, that sucks, because that's why so many people still eat it. But I'll never eat meat again. But I don't know how to answer that. Like, I'll never really truly eat meat again, but I can see, you know, sometimes, like, if I'm in a restaurant or something and something smells good, I'm like, ooh, what's that? That smells so good, I want to eat that. Does that make sense? I hope that makes sense. Also, I always say, does that make sense? Because I don't feel like I explain myself very well sometimes. I keep grinding my teeth. Arby asks, who's your favorite singer? Hi, I hope you're doing well too. One of my favorite singers, I have so many. Sia, I love her. Yes, oh yes, asks, do you watch Amberlynn Reid? If so, what advice do you have for her? I watch Amberlynn Reid, yes, I do. I can't give her any advice while I'm sitting here eating animal style fucking curly fries from Arby's. Not qualified. All I can say is I wish her the best of luck. Crystal asked, please don't answer if too personal, but how much weight have you lost since going vegan? I answered this in another question, and in another video, I highly please recommend you go watch that, because I explain it a little bit more. But since going vegan, and not only because of veganism, I've lost 70 pounds. Okay? I just want to be clear that veganism is not why I lost 70 pounds. Because I hate spreading that like misconception that veganism is you're gonna be some fucking supermodel running down the beach in a bikini just because you make your food vegan style, you know what I'm saying? So I recommend going and watching that. Miranda asks, what are your plans for the holidays this year? Halloween, Thanksgiving, Christmas. Can you show us your Christmas decor and tree if you put one up? I probably won't be putting up a tree or Christmas decorations. I've never been one to like decorate shit. I don't care that much. I'm not a decorator, you guys, at all. But like when I was married, I had a tree that I would put up every year and lights, and we had like a decoration we would pick every year, which meant like certain things, and like that was the extent of my, not a decoration, an ornament. That was the extent of my decorating. Some lights, and that's about it. But if I do decorate, yeah, I'll show you. Okay, this is from Montea. Hey Madison, I noticed you always have your nails did in your videos. I'm trying to get into painting my natural nails, so my question is, what is your top favorite nail colors, fingernail polish brands? For my personal nail polish collection, I use Pacifica and Wet n Wild. But I have the weakest, most brittle nails, so I've been getting them done lately. And they're finally starting to grow out a little bit just because they break so easily. They've been like that my whole life. They break so easily. So annoying. Gage asks, what did you go to college for? Love you so much. Love you more. I went to college for early childhood education to be an elementary school teacher. Because I do like kids. Like, kids are cool. But look at me now. Not doing that. This is from Queen Isabella. Hey, Queen. My name is Isabella. Do you play with slime? No, but I used to play with Silly Putty a lot as a kid. And would you do a slime shop review? And I love you, you're so amazing. What's a slime shop review? I don't know what that is. Is that what these kids are into these days? Let's see. We got a few more. Okay, Jane Johnson asks, please, advice for when a long-term relationship ends. Girl. No matter what. No fucking matter what, dude. Everything is going to be okay, I swear to God. Learn to take care of yourself first and do what's best for you first. I know that sounds so vague, but it's so fucking true. there are like coping mechanisms that I tried for a while that didn't work, like drinking and ignoring the pain, and that shit does not work for when, like, in terms of like breaking up and when relationships end. So by taking care of yourself first, like what I mean by that is, like, for example, me, like I really had to like focus on like fighting through the pain. I've talked about this before, like just fighting through the emotions that you're feeling. And by fighting, I don't mean like pushing them away. I mean like feeling them and just letting them come into you and then leave, kind of thing, and not ignoring them, because there are coping mechanisms that I try to use, like ignoring or drinking, and that shit makes it worse. Just like the next day, like I just feel even fucking worse. So focus on yourself and do what's best for you. And if you have kids, take care of them first, or animals, take care of them first. Fucking clean your house, make it all nice, light a candle, do you, boo. Like, another thing that really helped me was YouTube. I so many people on YouTube that I would watch just like made me happy, and I got through it from watching them. Hang out with your friends, girl. Oh my God. I'm really sorry though if you're going through a long-term relationship. Like, okay, I feel really bad. Like, I just want to like tell you to come over and talk to me about it, because I don't know like specifics. Like I don't know, but you know, I hope you're okay. It makes me sad. Okay, Camario Family Vlogs. Okay, who is your favorite mukbang YouTuber? I don't have a favorite. Me, no. I have a lot of people that I watch, but I don't have like a specific favorite. You're so amazing. Well, thank you. You are too. I love watching all your videos. Can I get a shout out for my channel? I'm still pretty new to making videos. Shout out to you. Camario Family Vlogs. Like Mario with a C-A in the beginning. Family Vlogs. So go check her out. Shout out to you. B Maximus. Hey, I love you, B Maximus. I think this is my last question. Oh my God. I think this is it. And if I missed your question, I am so sorry. Please know that I'm not ignoring you, and I'm really sorry if I missed your question. I feel really bad. Gotta burp. Like I said, y'all who like my burps are gonna be pretty happy with me today. Okay. Hey lady, hey! What is the hardest thing about being vegan? I think the hardest thing for me is the emotional side of it, because I always like, you know, I always want to do what's right for the animals. And the hardest thing for me is, at least in the beginning, was not understanding how other people didn't see things the way I did. Like, how could you want all these animals to die every single day just so you could have a fucking cheeseburger, you know? Like, or how dare you call me the vegan freak? I'm just trying to be compassionate towards all living beings or whatever. Like, but the hardest thing for me is really trying to take a step back and realize that, you know, just because I feel a certain way about something doesn't mean at all that everybody else is going to feel that way. And I can't make anybody feel the same way that I feel at all. I can only do what I do, you know, and try to promote veganism in a positive way, because I really think it is a positive, amazing thing. But yeah, I'd say that's the hardest thing is, you know, conflicting beliefs. Yeah, definitely that. Oh my gosh, I'm so full right now, but I'm gonna still eat a few more fries. Okay, and then she says, do you want to go back to school for anything? I've talked about that. Like, I've always wanted to learn sign language. Maybe, maybe not. Do you have a secret talent? Mm-mm. Not really. I did go to a belly dancing class once, and the instructor swore that I was like trained in belly dancing. I was like, no, I've never been to belly dancing before, but I guess I was really good at it. I mean, I thought I was picking it up quickly. It was pretty fun and easy. And she's like, oh my God, you're amazing. I don't know. So maybe I'll take some belly dancing classes. Actually sounds kind of fun. Are any of your other family members vegan? I've answered this. What is your favorite and least favorite thing about living in Austin? I love Austin. The worst thing is the traffic. And all the fucking people that move here all the time. Go away. Meh. Only if you're cool. Or vegan. Have a wonderful day. Oh, you too. Okay, you guys. So, all of my Q&A questions are done within a span of 3 videos. Oh my God. So, that is it for me, you guys. I hope you enjoyed this video. And I'll see you in my next one. Bye!